In a small village nestled between lush green hills and sparkling rivers, lived a curious girl named Maya. Every day, she marveled at how the river's water seemed endless, never running dry, even during the hottest months. One summer afternoon, as she lay in the meadow watching the clouds drift lazily across the sky, Maya decided she wanted to uncover the secret of where all the water came from and where it went. Maya ran to the village library, where she found a book about the water cycle. Fascinated, she learned that the water cycle is a continuous process that moves water around the earth. It all begins with the sun, which heats up water in oceans, lakes, and rivers, turning it into water vapor in a process called evaporation. This invisible vapor rises into the atmosphere, where it cools and condenses to form clouds, a process known as condensation. Maya imagined herself as a tiny droplet of water, rising from the surface of a lake into the sky, gathering with other droplets to form a fluffy, white cloud. As more and more droplets joined, the cloud became heavy and dark, until it could hold no more. This is when precipitation occurred, and droplets fell back to the ground as rain, snow, or hail. Maya followed the rain as it landed on the ground, flowing over the Earth's surface in tiny streams and rivers, known as runoff. Some of the water seeped into the soil, becoming groundwater that nourished the plants and trees, while the rest continued its journey back to the rivers and oceans, ready to start the cycle again. Inspired, Maya decided to create a small experiment to see the water cycle in action. She placed a bowl of water on the windowsill and covered it with a plastic wrap, securing it with a rubber band. Over time, she observed droplets forming on the underside of the plastic, mimicking condensation and eventually dripping back into the bowl as precipitation. Maya shared her findings with her friends and family, excitedly explaining how this invisible cycle was responsible for nourishing the earth and sustaining life. She understood that each part of the cycle was interconnected, a delicate balance that needed to be preserved. With her newfound knowledge, Maya became an advocate for water conservation in her village, encouraging everyone to appreciate and protect their precious water resources. She knew that the water cycle was more than just a scientific concept. It was a vital part of the natural world that sustained all life, from the smallest droplet to the mightiest river. Maya's curiosity had not only led her to understand the water cycle, but had also inspired a commitment to caring for the environment, ensuring that the water would keep flowing for generations to come. As she watched the rain fall gently outside her window, she felt a deep connection to the cycle that united every drop of water on Earth.